Going on, everybody? We are live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are live. Let's go. It's Monday morning, guys. Lot to get into, lot to talk about today. As it relates to the markets, crypto news, we've got a lot happening. Also, some major trading opportunities this week, guys. We're going to talk about it, guys, because there's a lot of news events this week that can definitely be taken advantage of. And I want to give you guys kind of what I'm thinking here as we start the week, some of the things that I'm looking at. We got Matt in the house. What's up, Matt? How you doing, brother? Happy to have you back in here, man. But yeah, guys, there's a lot of things we're looking at this week that I feel like maybe some people are kind of forgetting about. Big event coming up on Wednesday, and there's a reason why we're seeing some particular cryptos make a nice surge right now. It has a lot to do with quarterly earnings from NVIDIA. And so one of the things we're seeing is AI cryptos really make a nice surge right now. Okay. Now, I think the whole AI sector in general is very bullish all throughout this altcoin season. But I think at various times, we can really take advantage of trading opportunities. So it doesn't always have to be, long term, right? This could be, just for a couple weeks or what have you, right? So, and if I'm looking at this, right now, we're taking a look at some of the top AI cryptos, really the entire AI crypto sector surging. And again, it's all on the heels of NVIDIA. One of our top gainers right now, and guys, give me a thumbs up. Also, double tap the screen so you smash the like button. But let me know that you guys can hear me okay. I want to make sure you guys can hear me good. Just let me know that you guys can hear me okay. Give me a thumbs up if audio is good. Okay, perfect. Because I don't have you guys set up on my tripod, but rather just right next to me. So I just want to make sure you guys can hear me okay. But yeah, let's start right here, guys. Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. Obviously, we were extremely bullish on this merge that has happened already. So we had Fetch AI, we had Singularity Net, and then we had Ocean Protocol all merge to form one alliance, one crypto project. That particular project up 68% in the last week. Literally doubling up in price. Okay, that's FET, ticker FET. It's ranked number 27. It's roughly a $3.5 billion market cap right now. But this entire AI sector looking really good. I mean, right now the top two gainers is FET. It's the only top 100. It's double digits, up 12%. Number two is BitTenzer Tau, which is again in the AI sector. And again, this entire AI sector is booming right now. Near Protocol, obviously in the top 20, it's up 26% in the last 7 days. ICP's up 18% in the last 7 days. FET, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, up 68%. BitTenzer Tau, 22%. Render's up 44% in the last week. Injective, 22%. The Graph, 23%. Theta Network, 22%. And then there's even some smaller caps in this AI sector that look really good. ArcBlock up 66% in the last week. Insure DeFi up 55% in the last week. NOS up 57%. Solidus AI Tech 53%. So as we roll along this week, I think this is going to be a phenomenal opportunity to continue to trade. And again, NVIDIA earnings coming down on Wednesday. These are quarterly earnings for NVIDIA. I got a full video going to come out on the channel on this later today. I've already recorded it for you. So by the way, smash the like button. There's only 30 likes, 165 people here. Appreciate you guys so much. But double tap the screen real quick for us. And make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel because this is where we talk crypto all the time, every single day. Live streams, videos, we've got you covered. Daily crypto content. We don't miss a day. There's always some something new happening in this crazy world, and we're right here in front of it. VIDT is a $33 million market cap. It's within the AI sector. I've never even heard of this thing. VIDT, the last 7 days up 129%. So like, here you go, right? Like, this is what I'm talking about. Taking advantage of the AI crypto sector around NVIDIA earnings. Anytime we have big news with NVIDIA, the AI sector is going to pump. It's just going to pump, okay? How do I choose? What do I look for in a coin? Honestly, I don't try to overthink this. Now, I'm going to be making some trades, I think, this week. But more or less, I have some long-term holds with AI, okay? And when I say long-term holds, I mean, within this bull run that we're currently in the midst of. And really, I don't look too far past the top 100. I mean, I've got a couple outside of it, but mostly my holdings in AI are concentrated in FET, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, Render, RENDER, Injective, INJ, the Graph, GRT, and Tau, BitTensor. So those 5 right there for me. Now, I know Near Protocol and ICP are also up there. They're kind of in the AI sector. I don't own any of those right now, Near and ICP. I'm not saying they're bad, but I'm really concentrated on Render, Injective, and FET and Tau. FET, Tau, Render, Injective. These 4 in particular, I think, are very undervalued. And the Graph has been around for a really long time. I really like Render, Injective, and Tau because they're new. We haven't really seen what they're going to do in a full-fledged bull market. When we get into full-fledged altcoin season, the sectors I want to pay a really close attention to are AI, RWA, and also some of the new layer ones, new large cap layer 1 projects that have not really seen a bull run yet, right? So when we're looking at some of those layer 1s, you've got SUI, SUI, which I really like. You've also got Caspa, which has been tremendous, but we have not seen it in a full-fledged bull run yet, which is bullish. You've got Aptos, right? We're trying to find that Solana type move in some of these new layer 1s. Now, obviously, a lot of my crypto holdings concentrated in Bitcoin, Ethereum. I've got my meme coins too, which we'll get into some of that too in this live stream, guys. So I know it's early here on the West Coast. Let me know where you guys are coming in from. Also, double tap the screen if you have not already. That'll smash the like button for us. Really easy to do. Helps get this thing popping and more people on board with us. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, definitely do that as well. You're crazy not to subscribe here because we're giving you daily crypto content and bringing it to you every single day, okay? Doesn't matter. Saturday, Sunday, we're here for you, rocking. And yeah, all right, let's see who we got. Okay, we got a bunch of people coming in from different places. That's awesome. That's good stuff. Hey, we got CL Jacob in the house. My man, met you out in Toronto the last 2 years. How you doing, bro? Big follower from Washington, Western Australia. Oh, Western Australia. I thought it was Washington. Nice. Australia's in the house, huh? Philly, Syria, Atlanta. That's what's up. We got a bunch of people rocking with us. So Florida, OKC, San Antonio, Germany, Ireland. Joseph's in the house. My man's a member. Appreciate you. EMAC is in the house. He's a member. A lot of people coming in from the States. That's awesome. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Now, there are some other small cap AI projects, relatively small cap AI projects that I like. Based AI is one that I really like. So Based AI is a $138 million market cap. It's surging on the NVIDIA news as well. Coming up from, a week ago, 10 days ago, it was a little over $2. Now it's almost $4. It's literally almost doubled in price. And I'll show you this one. So this, again, the entire AI sector, I really like this one as a long-term play in this cycle too. Based AI. Trying to get it to focus. There it is. $138 million market cap. Ending in 9185. So it doesn't look like much here, but this thing's up over 100%. Some big buys coming in. This surge here in the last 8 to 10 days, that's 100% return. That's a double up. Again, this AI sector right now, booming. Now, this is another private investment of mine, TARS AI. TARS AI looks really, really strong still. We're talking about a $17 million market cap. This is backed by Solana. TARS AI on Sol, ticker TAI. Just under 17 mil market cap, 23,000 holders. This AI sector has been a huge focal point for me for a long time. So these two, PAL AI is another one. Let's see where PAL is right now. And this one is up roughly about 28% in the last 7 days. So yeah, PAL AI is sitting at 20 cents right now. That gives it a $171 million market cap. Keep in mind, this thing ran all the way up to almost $1 billion. Okay? So it's definitely way down from where it was. But again, I'm in the camp that the AI crypto boom and the big data AI sector in general, it's not over. A lot of people will say, oh, the gains have already been had. I disagree completely. I think we're going to see multiple AI crypto sector runs. And now we're seeing one this week with, again, NVIDIA earnings coming up on Wednesday, their quarterly earnings. It's a great opportunity to make some trades. So which assets am I looking to trade? What are going to be some of the volatile plays? You know, ASI, I've got a long-term play in it already, but I might open up some trading positions, right? I've got my Margex shirt on. If you guys are looking to trade on leverage a little bit. Now, I don't open up big leverage positions, but I do open up some 5 to 10x leverage spots on Margex. The link is down below in the description. If you're interested in that, check it out. But I think leading up to Wednesday, we're going to see some big moves. You know, recently we just had a whale who sold FET at $1.02, bought back in. So basically in another trade, and they bought back in at $1.33. They bought 1.79 million FET at $1.33 after selling it at $1.02. Basically saying, hey, I screwed up. This thing's still going to go up ahead of NVIDIA's big earnings report on Wednesday. So it's a really $14. Guys, can you hear me? I'm not sure what happened here. Did I freeze up? Okay, there we go. We're back. I took it off Wi-Fi. That's weird. So yeah, Injective looks really interesting right now. So we had this big bounce back on Injective here on the 8th of August. Again, we dipped down all the way to $13 and some change. Now we're back up to $21.57 on INJ. We got a big momentum up yesterday, or 4 days ago, 3 days ago. Now, a little bit of a pullback here, but this to me still could close this gap, and we could potentially even see 26, 27 bucks as we get closer to NVIDIA's earnings. This would be like kind of our local spot here that we hit in July. So I'm watching, you know, Injective. I might even make a play here if we're looking in on the hourly. Again, momentum up triggered on the hourly. Nice little double top. You know, met some resistance up here at $22.96, basically 23 bucks. If we break through that $23 barrier, we've got some upside. Again, taking us at least up to, I think, 25, all the way up to 27, 28 bucks. Short term play. Okay, that's INJ. ASI, or actually it's still called FET, which is confusing. FET has been on a really nice tear. I mean, look at this momentum up, triggered back here. And if you guys aren't familiar with utilizing my trading indicator, I mean, right here, the last 6 days, 61% move since we had our first momentum up on the hourly in the last week. Amazing opportunity here. And I still think we could see some more upside. Now, the only thing we're watching is RSI is getting a little hot. All right, let's go into the 4-hour here. ASI is getting a little hot on the RSI. On the 4-hour, it's up there above 70. Usually that's, overbought a little bit. So maybe waiting for a little bit of a pull down, maybe to like $1.30 would be kind of our entry as long as we show some strength here. That's kind of roughly where I'm looking at. So I'm looking to make some plays on some trades here ahead of NVIDIA's earnings coming up on Wednesday. And I'm looking in the AI sector, okay? Now, again, these are more short-term plays. I mentioned to you guys, I'm long on ASI, FET. I'm long on Render. I'm long on Injective. Like I've got big positions opened up that are throughout this bull run, right? Tau, BitTensor Tau. I've talked about HBAR before on the channel. I really like HBAR. It's not sexy right now, However, I do think there could be some faster horses, opposed to HBAR. HBAR is not a bad play by any means. I just think there could be some faster horses. So, Joshua, if you look back to last year, the end of 2023, in particular, October 23rd, huge volume spike. Now, that's not to say October 23rd is this magical date, but it's when the market really started to bounce back strong. October 23rd. Late last year is where we really started to see a big surge in volume, big uptick in interest, and we saw altcoins, pump back up, to kind of like, moderate levels, coming off the basement, getting out of the bear market. Now, since then, things have kind of cooled down, and then a lot of the focus as we shifted toward the beginning of 2024, all the hype, all the interest, all the engagement was coming through institutional demand for Bitcoin and the Bitcoin ETFs. Now we have an Ethereum ETF. So we're hoping that the altcoin season hits here in Q4 again, and now we're in a much better market environment, meaning we could see way bigger gains. I think as we get into Q4, into Q1 of 2025 is where we're really going to see a big surge in altcoins, a big surge in the crypto market at large. And again, we're looking at those hot sectors, AI, RWA, and some of those sectors that haven't really moved yet. One of those is gaming. Eventually, gaming is going to have a surge. I firmly believe that. It's been very quiet with gaming, but eventually we're going to see, I think, a pop there in gaming as well. Guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. Let me know if you're new here. If you're a new subscriber, let me know. If you're just finding us, welcome in. We're almost at 152,000 subs. We've been doing this crypto thing for a little while. Kind of crazy. Almost 5 years now we've been invested in crypto. It kind of flies by. And we're learning every single day. We don't have it all figured out. If you guys would tap the screen for a like too, we should have 100 likes. That should be easy. And yeah, subscribe to the channel because we're here every single day, guys, just learning and navigating this space together. And let's win together. You know what I mean? It's way more fun to win together throughout this bull run. So appreciate all the new folks here. Is ASI on Coinbase Wallet? So FET, the new Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, in terms of markets, it is listed on Coinbase, the exchange. It is listed on Binance. Obviously, you can get it through Uniswap. It is an Ethereum-based token. Well, there's an Ethereum contract. There's also BNB, Cosmos, OKX, Bybit, Kraken, Gate. It's pretty much available across the board on all these major exchanges. We've got John Harris, thoughts on price action this week, bud. It all starts with Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? And with BTC, we had a really good week. Now, what we're looking for and watching for because we are still sitting at a good spot. We got our moving averages all flashing buy signals here. But right now, I mean, we just need this continuation. We don't even really need a big breakout, just a continuation here. I'd love to see some consolidation. If we take a look at the 1 day, we are coming back down pretty significantly right now from yesterday's top. We did breach the $65,000 level, which was good. Currently at 63,600, which is totally fine. We had a big momentum up candle 3 days ago where we rose from 60K all the way to 64.7. So far on the 1 day, I mean, things look really good, honestly, for Bitcoin. Things look really good for Ethereum too. The RSI is not over hot. It's not extremely hot. It's not like overbought territory right now on the 1 day at all. Slowly but surely ticking back up ever since we got drained down to 49K. But I'd like to see us, honestly, trade sideways a little bit this week and just kind of show strength here, you know, above 63.5. I think that would be a win for us. Yeah, we're kind of in the midst of a little bit of a drawdown, and we might come down to about 60K if history repeats itself here, and this would be a good accumulation zone. This whole post-halving, you know, accumulation zone, that's kind of where we are. We're not in that parabolic upside, you know, post-halving yet. We're just kind of consolidating still. We're range bound, which is good. But I think you're right, John. I think we're getting ready for a massive move in Q4. I think right now, just kind of maintaining some steadiness, some, relatively having some certainty in the markets a little bit. So Rect Capital just put out some information about 40 minutes ago. This is a really good resource when it comes to technical side of things. Rect Capital says Bitcoin has officially completely filled this CME gap. CME gaps tend to act as dynamic support and resistance. Now that this CME gap as a resistance has been comfortably breached, any dips into it would be an attempt to turn it into support. So this is bullish. This is a good thing. So Joseph said, at what dollar amount AMT do you think BTC will be at when parabolic run starts? 60 to 65K or maybe higher? Well, we're there now. We're in between that range now. So I guess I'm not understanding the question. Where do I think we top out at this cycle, or what do you mean, Joseph? I just want to make sure I'm understanding completely. 70K by the end of the week or sooner. That would be great, Michael. I mean, but honestly, I would be totally fine with a little bit of, I don't want to say boringness, but I guess kind of sideways action. I'd be cool with that. Thoughts on BlockDAG technology? That's what Caspa uses. There's been a few other cryptos. I think Caspa is probably the most well-known using BlockDAG. Very innovative, very different. That's why Caspa is so unique. There's really nothing like it out there. Hasn't seen a bull run yet. I love CAS, honestly. Top 5 holding of mine. Been accumulating since 4 cents. Caspa's definitely up there with one of my favorite plays for this bull cycle. If we get that parabolic run that we all want, I think, Jasmine, I see Jasmine's listed there too. Jasmine's another one. Great upside. It's not going to take much for us to get up and test 70K, honestly. Good morning, everybody. Roberto, I like Cardano in this bull cycle. I don't know if it's going to happen in the next 100 days. I know it's been brutal. It's been boring. It sucked. But you could say the same for a lot of altcoins. It hasn't changed how I feel about Cardano. Cardano's still a top 5 holding of mine. I still think we could see, a $5 ADA within this cycle. When it'll happen, I don't have a crystal ball. Nobody does, but I still like where we are. I'm currently in a position on Margex on XRP. I'm thinking about taking a position in Bitcoin here, especially on this pullback. So I'm looking at things. I'm kind of waiting for some data to play out. I'm looking at the hourly right now. A lot of consolidation right now. And honestly, we're liquidating pretty quick here to 63.5. But as long as we stay above 63.2 and bounce off that, we're okay throughout the day here for just like an intraday trade. I'm not so much I'm not so much hip to quick swap. I've heard about it, but I've never used it. XRP, I think, will rise with the rest of the market. Obviously, they've got some built-in catalysts too with the whole Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, and then any kind of big partnerships. But I think as long as XRP is in a spot where they don't have that gray cloud hanging over their head in this bull cycle. I mean, we got to $2 last bull market with all of that craziness. That's why I like a $4 to $6 XRP, base case this cycle. And nobody knows, by the way, guys. I could be terribly wrong. I mean, we're all speculating. Let's just be real with that. But if you want to speculate with me, learn with me, grow together, make money in this space, I mean, that's what we're doing here. So we have notched some wins. We've made some right plays. And that's really all what it comes down to. You're not going to be right all the time. But when you're right, win big. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Hit the like button too. That helps us out. Double tap the screen. That'll smash the like button for us. And yeah, I mean, not only subscribe, but ring the notification bell so you know when we put out a bunch of content videos. Yeah, Matt, I'm looking there too. And if you guys are leverage traders, you're interested in Margex, there's links down below. Check it out. Great trading platform. No KYC, no information needed over there. They're still relatively small leverage exchange platform. They're growing though. They got copy trading. There they are right there. Big partner of mine on the channel. I'm still in a trade on Big Time. They're coming down pretty hard here in the 1 day, but still looks pretty good long term here. Big Time is a gaming crypto listed on Coinbase. We're in a trade right now. We got in right around 6 cents. It's sitting at almost 8.5 cents. We're in a nice trade here. So we'll take that. We got a couple open trades. We bought a little bit more Ondo Finance and Sui this morning. just to kind of shore up our positions. I mentioned Injective. I really like Jasmy. Render. Render's been looking really good. We bought some, we opened up a new position in XRP. We also accumulated a little bit more for the long term. Those are some of the moves we're making. With meme coins, it's been kind of relatively quiet. I mean, we've got the whole Tron ecosystem pumping like crazy. Other than that, it's been relatively quiet, especially with Ethereum-based memes, but I do think we can heat back up here this week. I mean, there's always some movers and shakers. The Tron meme coins, you know, Sundog, Suncat, and now Bull on Tron. All, you know, there's some interesting plays over there happening for sure that I don't think we should necessarily ignore. But basically what I'm saying is I'm not going heavy right now. I still really like Neiro, Neiro. That still looks really solid. Even though we've pulled down to 125 mil, we're still hanging in the balance. Here's the Neiro chart. We're holding on to support right now on Neiro. We're just looking for that break to the upside. Neiro on Ethereum, 125 mil. Holders are still growing though, almost 20,000 holders. Volume still at 2 mil. 125 mil, this could be at a good accumulation zone. Now, it's risky because if we break down and lose support here, things can get really brutal, but we've showed really good strength here. Obviously, we showed really good strength here back 4 days ago, and we actually popped back up to 160 mil. So the dip's being eaten up right now as we speak. I really like Neiro as long as we can hold the line here. Things look good there. Ginnin was another one on Solana that we were in. Still in this position. We took some profits, but it is starting to build back up from the bottom. We've doubled up since the 22nd, actually. So it's starting to build back up here, regaining some of its ground a little bit. It's 28 mil market cap, still really good volume, 13,000 holders. So I do like that one still. Xborg, which is a launch we got into 10 days ago, starting to build back up. This thing, 3.3 mil market cap. Volume's just really low here on Xborg. We're seeing if that can build back up. Again, that's Xborg, B-O-R-G on Solana. We never did get a bone price pump. We never did get that bone price pump. Selling off after actually bouncing up here from 37 cents all the way to 46 cents. Nice little trading opportunity there. But dialing back now for 3 days in a row. Eventually, Bone's going to make a run. It's sitting at 100 million market cap flat. Back in March, we got up to $1.51, about a 3x from here. $3 cast this bull cycle. I mean, listen, it could happen. So let's take a look here. If CAS got to $3, what would the market cap look like? That's a 17x from here. It's basically getting to a $73 billion market cap. I think this is very, very within reason. You know, considering just how well CASPA's done in the bear market and then in this kind of, we'll call it pre-bull market leading up to what we think is going to be the blow off top. You know, getting to $3, that'd give us a 17x. I could see CAS getting to, you know, a $73 billion market cap. It's $4 billion right now. That's a lot. I mean, that's a big gain, but we've seen top 30 cryptos do this within inside bull runs. And the great thing about CASPA is it's not seen a bull market yet. That should get us excited. So if we get that big demand, here's the other thing that makes CASPA so interesting. By the way, you could trade CASPA over on Margex. We're getting ready for a huge airdrop on Margex. Free tokens, free CASPA when you sign up using Margex. It's coming very, very soon. They do free airdrops every month. They actually asked me which airdrop that people would love on my channel. And I said, guys, if you guys do a free Caspa airdrop for people who sign up using my link and start trading with me on Margex, people will love it. So that's coming very, very soon, guys. This Caspa airdrop, I'll tell you exactly when it starts. So sign up Margex today. Get ready for those free airdrops. That's going to be extremely, extremely bullish. Let's see here. The promotion starting this week. So be on the lookout for that. Bone will run during the real bull market. We've just been pre-bull market, pre-bull bounce this last year. I agree. I think that's a good point. Oh, guys, by the way, we got the Crypto Breakfast Club, of course. Monday through Friday, we'll be live on our X Space at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. We will be live streaming it, too. We'll probably end this live stream and start another one around 9 o'clock, an actual live stream, and get that ready to go and heat it up before our X Space today. Your alert went off on which crypto, Matt? For XT Algo? For BTC? Sell or buy? Wyatt, we've been talking about FET ASI for a while. Very, very bullish. We've held a nice position. It's a long-term play for me in this cycle. But I'm looking to maybe open a trade from now until earnings for NVIDIA on Wednesday. Might open up another position. Just kind of watching it play out this morning a little bit. I will let you guys know if I open up a spot. Probably throw it out on X, so make sure you guys are following me over on X. Entry at 63.5. I was looking to see if that Elon news was actually legit. It's not, right? I didn't think so. Gotcha, Matt. Yeah. A very simplified trading bot. Well, I have a trading indicator, XT Algo. The link's down below, guys. That to me is very simple, very easy to use. I call it kind of the Walmart of trading indicators, and I wanted it to be very simple and easy to use for anybody. And even if you're, somebody who's more advanced, we've got a couple different modes like possible retracement up, possible retracement down. It takes in a lot of data. It's really, really solid. It's a 30-day money-back guarantee, too. There is a discount coupon code linked down below in the description if you're interested in checking it out. 30-day money-back guarantee. So definitely check that out. We put the headphones in. For sure, Boca. For sure. Yeah, somebody said Elon took a position under Trump. That's not true. Maybe that's a rumor or something, but somebody mentioned it in the chat, and I had to cross-reference it there for a second. Yeah, Emac knows about XT Algo. He knows about my trading indicator, and it's just really solid. Nothing is 100% bulletproof, obviously. Like nothing is 100% guaranteed to work 100% of the time, but it definitely is a tool that I think people could definitely benefit from. And you know, if you're looking for like that validation of, oh, this is a good time to get in this trade, this is where XT Algo really comes into play. What do I think of MPG? What's MPG? That was position Elon said he wanted. Oh, okay. Gotcha. I did not see that. You guys honestly need to check out XT Algo. Yeah, Emac knows. I feel like Emac, you were probably one of the first people to ever sign up to XT Algo. I feel like you were like on there right when it went live. I mean, it's plausible. Elon taking a position in Trump's forming administration is kind of expected. Trump is gathering a powerful unity alliance. He will put the smartest people in. Yeah, I mean, what do you guys think about him bringing on RFK? I mean, do you guys think this is bullish for crypto? Do you think this helps him? I mean, probably definitely helps with some votes, right? I guess the heavy RFK, voters are probably going to go and vote for Trump, right? Most of them, I would imagine. Tuning in from Dominican Republic. What's up, bro? Appreciate all the support, guys. If you guys haven't double tapped the screen, definitely do that. Subscribe to the channel. We got 2 videos recorded already today, ready for you. We are going to start another live stream, which will take us into the Crypto Breakfast Club. We'll start that as a regular live stream, not one like this that's just vertical. But we'll start one up that's, you can listen into the X space today. Again, that's 9:30 to 11:30. We do that every Monday through Friday with the X space. And you can listen in. You can listen in on the live stream, either on YouTube or X, or you can listen to the actual space. I do have XRP. I've got some short-term positions that I'm trading, and I've got a long-term position too. And I've been accumulating XRP under 60 cents. Slowly, nothing crazy, but especially now that we have kind of more clarity on everything that's happening within, Ripple versus SEC, it gives me a lot of confidence to, make some plays. So it's definitely an exciting time for Ripple, because if they get to the point where they don't have any dark cloud, gray cloud hanging over their heads, leading into this like blow off top bull run, Q4, Q5, or Q4, Q1, 2025. That's going to be really fun to watch, because we got to $2 last cycle in a terrible environment for XRP. Terrible environment. You couldn't even buy it anywhere. The sentiment was terrible. So I'm excited about trading XRP this bull run. I think there's going to be, and the great thing about it is it's not super, super volatile. Like big news events, though, pump the price dramatically, which is great for traders. Great for traders. So guys, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe here. We're going to start another live stream and get ready for the Crypto Breakfast Club. That is coming up at 9:30 every Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 11:30. We do the Crypto Breakfast Club. Don't want to miss today's episode. We're talking about meme coins, altcoins, moves we're making in the markets, where we think the markets are going. Should be a lot of fun. So I'm going to fire up another live stream. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Ring the notification bell and get ready for our Crypto Breakfast Club coming up at 9:30. Another live stream going to be started here in a few. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Be right back. Appreciate you guys again.